So my lawnmower died recently, and since I was already buying one, I thought of going for a battery power type. Battery technology has improved dramatically during the last few years, and nowadays it's possible to get high power devices from vacuum cleaner to lawnmower to grass trimmers. They use batteries instead of a normal cable. So let's test it out. Let's have a look what we get in the box first, and then we shall try to put it to the test. Now this is from a company called Swift. On the box already from the back you can see all the characteristics of it. It's actually quite a light device to carry around. It's got a comb on the front of it to prepare the grass before you cut it. It's fully adjustable. It's got a 40 volt battery, which I assume is this one. So it should have plenty of power for my needs. Okay, let's get everything out first. These are probably for the handle. There you go, that's the handle itself. Of course we will have to put everything together. The main body is already all in one piece. Wow, the blade feels very solid. Metal blade, brilliant. The compartment for the battery, I assume, is over here, yeah. And this has a sort of a key system just to make sure that everything is nice and safe. So guys, it seems to me that the only thing that we need to put together is the handle and the wheel. So give me a second, I'll get this open and we'll put everything onto it. Okay, to start with, I think we will need a Phillips screwdriver. And finally the wheels. Now, already by looking on the side, there are 5 different heights for which the wheels can be attached. So it should guarantee me a brilliant choice of the length, the height of the grass that I want to achieve. So of course the lower you put the wheels, the higher it will be the grass. So with a very low setting it will cut it very, very low. With a high setting it will cut it quite high. That's it, that was nice and easy. Yeah, the only thing that now we need to put together is the basket to catch the grass. I assume this just flipping together. Let me just move this out of the way. I chose an area where I don't have much space. It's actually much easier than I expected. You just literally flip it on the top of it, and then automatically when this works, oh, actually hold on, this needs to be removed. This stays into place as so. Okay, so let me see if I can turn it around for you guys. So right at the back
we have this unit. This goes in this way, is to catch the grass, and then the main box itself, just flip over it. So yeah, I mean, quick to put together, in fairness, once you know what you're doing. Let's have a quick look on the battery. I was saying earlier on, there is like a little key system also in here, as a sort of a double protection system, so you cannot have an accidental use of it. The key flicks in, it makes a click once it's in, and then it can be easily extracted. And anyway, there is a safety system here as well, so if you just push it, it will not work. As any lawnmower, you need to push the button first and then pull the lever, and then it will make it work once the key, of course, is in place. So what I might do is charging the battery, and then we can cut the grass.